Okay, we're going to simplify some exponents, and some of it gets a little tricky here. In the history of I'm watching students do this question that a lot of people mess it up. And there's many different ways you can do exponential equations, like simplify exponential expressions like this, but this is the easiest way for this question. You see this -2? There's a law of exponents that says that the -2 is affecting the 3. It's actually 3 to the -2 times x to the -2. And why does that make it so easy? Because now you've got x to the -2 on the top, x to -2 on the bottom. They cancel. And you're left with 3 over 3 to the -2. But what does 3 to the -2 means? It means you can move the 3 up to the top and change its sign, make it 3 squared. And 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Well, what happens to this here, this expression here, if k is equal to a third? Well, put a third in there, and that's really 125 to the 1/3 power. And you see the 1/3 affects the 125, but 125 is really 5 cubed. So 5 cubed to the 1/3 power, the 3's cancel. You see, you multiply and you just have 5. Over here, you've got a to the -3 to the 1/3 power. The 3's cancel. It just becomes -1. 3 times 1 over 3 is 3, but it's negative. And what does negative a to the -1 means? It means 1 over a. So your final answer is 5 over a. That's a little tricky for some people. It takes some practice to get good at that. Now this, you get a mark if you could just go, hey, 9 is 3 squared and 27 is 3 cubed. And if you put it in like that, you're set up to do the whole question, because you just take the 2 and you multiply it by x and 2. You take this 3 and multiply it by x and -1. What do you get? 2x plus 4, 3x minus 3. Now you can write down the answer here. When you multiply two things of the same base, two numbers or variables of the same base, you write down the base and add the stuff on top, add the exponents. And when you divide, you subtract. So that's all we do. X minus 5 plus 2x plus 4 minus 3x, and minus 3 makes it plus 3. Well, look at that. X and 2x is 3x minus 3x. All the x's are gone. So we've got -5 plus 4 plus 3. Well, that's 7 minus 5. It's 2. 3 squared is 9. And there's your answer.